Welcome to a Mommy Glow Up part 3. And guys, today I'm just going to be doing some bit of skincare here and there, my self-care basically. So first of all, I'm going to be brushing my teeth, and what I do nowadays is oil pulling. If you know, you know. So for the coconut oil, I leave it in my mouth for 15 minutes, then rinse it off. Then I go in with this bamboo charcoal mask. Actually, it was new, but yeah, I put it on my nose. So I mostly, how can I say, I have more fat in the face, in the nose area. So yeah, I put it there only, not all around my face. Next thing, after I do the pulling, I brush my teeth with some Colgate. I use Colgate. Then lip scrub. Like, you guys get some scrub. Like, this thing leaves your lips very, very moisturized. And then we peel off the mask, because now it's been 15 minutes. That's obviously 15 minutes later. We pull it off, and guys, let me tell you, your nose will be so smooth. Like, if you had oil bumps, trust me, they will all go. And then now I come in with my Garnier. I think for Sundays I mostly mask, so that's what I'll be doing today. I'll be masking, and it takes about 15 minutes to dry, but then I move on to my hair. Well, the mask has already done its thing by this point, so it's time to wash my hair. And I got this massager on Jumia, but it's mostly a scrub, and you know what, I will not pamper my scalp. I will not. I decided to scrub my face in the middle because I had forgotten to scrub it. And that was all. The Garnier also acts as a face mask and a face scrub. So I will not be joking around with this scalp. I will literally scrub it like I'm scrubbing a carpet floor. And look at this, the shrinkage, guys. The shrinkage is real. That is fussy hair for you. And actually, let me tell you something. I am not showering with warm water. I'm showering with cold water. Reason being, the switch has a problem for the moment, and I don't think I want to shower with it. My partner showers with it. He has no problem, but for me, I cannot do that. I cannot risk it. And my eye is red. Yes, it's very, very red. I had a problem. I did not wear my specs for some time, and all the whatever, the light, the allergies, everything, they got the best of it. So my eyes are now, actually, as I even record this voiceover, my eyes are literally in pain. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is, first I'll wash my body with the soap, normal soap, just to remove the dirt, the normal dirt. Then I go in with my coffee scrub. And guys, this scrub was new. It was my first time using it, and trust me, I will never ever use that scrub again. Okay, not because it's bad. I'm not a salty scrub type of person, so I don't really like salt scrubs. I'm mostly a sugar scrub type of person. So if I get the sugar scrub, that will be so good. Then I go in with this St. Ives exfoliating body shower gel. Body wash, shower gel, whichever. So I go in with that, and I make sure I scrub to remove the coffee remnants. But then if I get a body scrub that is oily, I will not go in with that. Then I shave and wash my legs. Please remember to wash your legs. Then it's time to oil my body, and I use mist on Sundays because I like to be in my most natural form. So I'm using this lip changing what is it called, lip gloss. It's the mood lip changing lip gloss. Then I go in and blow dry my hair, because let's see how long this hair gets. It's not that long, but girl, the shrinkage when you wash is real. And let me be honest with you guys, I'm not 100 with blow dries. Like, this is my, I don't know, like the third or fourth time I'm blow drying my hair for I bought this blow dry this year when I got my baby. And so it's not, how can I say, it's not something I've been doing for long. So this is my fourth time, and let me tell you, it just keeps getting better. I'm actually admiring my work on my head. Wow. So next thing, I'm going to be switching the head. You have to switch the head to the, what can I say? How can I say it? The one that blows more air, I guess. Look at the length. Look at that length. Yeah, I know. My hairline, something happened to it. Like I went to a certain salon and somebody did whatever they wanted with my hair. But for the rest, it's working out very, very well. Look at that hair. Look at that hair length. Yeah, when I tell you the shrinkage is real, it is real. I'm just looking at that eye and I'm feeling I'm feeling so, how can I say? Bad for it. I don't know. It's my eye, but I'm feeling so bad for it. So yeah, the next thing I'm going to be doing is oiling my hair. You have to oil your head like after you wash it. But then, lucky me, after I oil it, I have the blow dry to make sure the oil seeps in well. Don't forget to massage the oil in, like make sure it gets into your scalp very, very well. Yeah, so that will be the finished part of my hair. I'm just winding up. I do one last time of the blow drying, and that will be it. And the rains are here. It's a very, very cold time for us, so socks is definitely a must. So bye guys, see you in the next one.